Hi, this is the lesson on how to play Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. This is the verse section. So we're just coming out of the intro. When we play the intro, we use chords with the little finger on fret 3 of string 1 and the third finger on fret 3 of string 2. So when we play an E minor, for example, we keep these two fingers here and we make the E minor shape with finger 1 and 2. If we play a G, we do the same, keep these two fingers here and play the G shape with fingers 1 and 2, and the same with a C. So we're going to use this C, it's called C add 9. So we've got the little finger on fret 3 of string 1, the third finger on fret 3 of string 2, the first finger is on fret 2 of string 4, and the second finger is on fret 3 of string 5. I'm using my thumb to mute the E string so that's not booming out. Okay, put my thumb on, makes a nicer sound. Okay. So that's the C add 9. The other chords, if you don't know the chords, then look back in the videos and it shows you how to play the chords. We're going to do a D, okay, an A minor, a G, a D again, a C, A minor again, and then we're back to G, and then onto the C. Instead of a C add 9, it's a C this time. Okay. The rhythm. It's quite simple, it's down, down, up. That is it. So we start on the C add 9, down, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, down, up, A minor, down, down, up, down, onto G, down, down, up, down, down, up, D, down, down, up, down, down, up, and C, down, down, up, C, down, up, A minor, down, down, up, down, and onto the G again, down, down, up, down, do the whole thing again, C, down. Okay, so I'm going to play the video, I'll play along to it and see if you can keep up with it. Here we go. So this is the end of the intro. This is the G chord at the beginning, onto the C add 9.